Hello, I'm Alex Joseph from Doc. I'm going to talk about using Planner from Microsoft Teams. Planner is very effective in creating, assigning, and tracking tasks. Unlike other to-do apps, it is the team approach that makes it stand out. From this video, you can learn how to make the most of Planner from Microsoft Teams. It is a clever integration made by Microsoft. You need to create a team first to get started. Go to your Microsoft Teams desktop app first. Click on the Teams icon in the left side. From there, click on Create Team option. If you do not see this option, you can look down and click on Join or Create a Team and click on Create Team. You can choose either from scratch or from a group or team. We are choosing from scratch option. We are also looking forward to creating a team which is public so that anyone from our organization can access it. You can also make it private so that anyone who need access need to ask for permission. Click on public and then you can give a name to the team. We are going to create a team for marketing blocks. Let's give it the name marketing blocks. Give it an appropriate description. After making your changes, just click on create. Next step is to add members to the marketing blocks team we just created. So I'm going to add few members to my team. I will choose Betty because she is very good at SEO. And then I will pick Adarsh because he is very good at writing blogs in our team. And I will also prefer to have Alna and Linu in the team. So this is the team I want to create. So we are just creating ad, and you can also assign the roles to each of these members. So all of them are members right now. I would like to make Betty one of the team owners. So I'm just clicking on member and choosing it, changing it to owner. If you are good to go, you can close this. This is the team we just created. Next step is to add Planner as a tab. For that, you need to click on the plus icon over here. And from this window, you need to choose Planner. So right away, you will get an option to create a new plan or use an existing plan from this team. So we are going to create a new plan. So the tab name should be block task. We are naming the tab as block marketing and click save. So the tab is ready. And first of all, we would like to create different buckets here so that you can group tasks specifically. It helps a lot. So the first bucket should be blocks, should be live blocks. So we just created 3 buckets. The first one is new blocks. Second one is live blocks and optimizations. Others will be responsible for creating new blogs. So I'm just creating a task for him. So there's going to be a new webinar coming up next week. So I want others to create a new blog for that. So I'm assigning it to him, and I'll like to put the due date to November 6th, the next Friday. So we get a week to do that and make necessary plans. So I just created that task and I want Betty to help him to get the SEO site good. So I just assigned others to create a new blog and assigned the keyword research task to Betty. So it's really going good. And another task I wish to have is there are different live blogs right now. So I want Alna to check its traffic and make sure that they are performing well, or if not, I want her to optimize it accordingly to make it work. So I am assigning a task to Alna. I also want her to create a report on based on her analysis and findings so that we can take appropriate actions. So I'm assigning a task for that too. So she'll be completing her task by Wednesday. So I want to report by Thursday. That will be perfect. She gets enough time. Yeah. And for optimizations, I would like Betty to do that task. Optimize. There are plenty of blogs that are performing really well, but I want Betty to look at it and take necessary actions to double their performance. So I'm giving her 2 weeks to do that. So she has the first 2 weeks of November, so that she will be able to perform these tasks very comfortably. So I have created few tasks in this new team. So I have created different tasks under our buckets. And now I would like to show some of the options you get by the side of these tasks. Just click on the ellipsis. There are options to add labels, and there is also options to copy task, copy a link to task, and also move task. And also you can also delete some of the tasks if required. So first of all, let's add some labels to it. As I would like to add the green label to this. It is a very cool task and it is not a priority. So I'm just putting it green. On the other side, optimizing the live blogs is a priority. So I want to add the red label to here. And I think the webinar blog, others will be able to do it himself, but I would like to assign myself to that task so that we both can work on it. Maybe we can create 2 blogs. So I'm putting that here. And other options, like if you want to move the tasks, there is a move task option over here, but just dragging the task from like this from one place to another is a lot easier method. If you want to create a link to this task, just click on copy link task. So the tasks are set up and they are ready. And next I would like to show you different views for this planner tab in Microsoft Teams. So this is the board view. This is a popular view and it is very easy to understand tasks in a single view. Another view is the list view. It is also a cool view. You can see all the tasks in a single window. It's also very helpful. And there is a chart view, which is a little more graphically enriched one. And here you can see tasks based on their statuses. We just have only one pending task, a late task. All other four are not yet started. This is a chart based on bucket. So there are two tasks each in new blocks and live blocks bucket, and there is just one task in optimizations. And based on priority, just all of them are, we haven't set any priority for different tasks, so all of them are medium. And there is also a different view, members chart view, so that you can see which all employees are assigned with what tasks. And another view is the schedule view. It's a calendar view actually. This is also very, as you can see, there are, we have assigned all the tasks to the November. So yeah, here's it. Another important feature of the calendar view is that you can just go to any of the date and click on this plus icon near to the date. So you can create task right away, and you can choose which bucket it should be, and also the date, and also assign someone here. So it's very easy to do that. And other than that, another feature is the filter option. You can filter all these tasks based on the date or labels, priority, or people, etc. So let's see what tasks are assigned to me. So there's only just one task. So it's another helpful or practical option. Right now the tasks are grouped under different buckets. You can also group tasks by progress, due date, labels, priority, etc. Let's group the tasks based on assignees. Like, yeah, so there's no unassigned task. There is one task assigned to me. There's a task assigned to Adarsh, etc. So it's another helpful feature. This is how you can add a planner tab to Microsoft Teams. You can easily create tasks, assign it to your team members, and track their progress effectively. This is another team in Microsoft Teams, and I just want to show you one more thing, that by clicking on these tasks, you can actually get a detailed view about your tasks. Like, as you can see, you can see in which bucket it belongs, the progress. You can set the progress of the status here. You can set it as in progress, or when it is completed, you can set it as completed. And there is also an option for setting the priority. It's an urgent one, you can set it as urgent, or you can set it as medium if medium priority. You can also set start date and due date here, and there's also an option to add a description or some notes that will be helpful for the reviewer as well as the employee. And you can also add a checklist and also attachments related to the tasks here, and leave a comment if you want to notify the reviewer about something. So this is about the detailed view of the tasks. Hope you liked the video. Thank you and have a great day.